Hello everyone. This video I will show you how to draw concentric circles in Scratch 3. First, I will run the example to let you see the result. And I will introduce the example, the source code during the sprite draw the concentric circles. In this example, I will use the pen extension in Sprite 3. So you should click the Add Extension button on the bottom left corner of Sprite editor to add the pen category to it. After that, you will see the pen category, the custom blocks. Okay. In this example, there is a custom variable with the name time radius. This custom variable is used to store each circle's radius, so it is called time radius because the circle's radius is not same. The outer circle's radius is bigger than the inner circle's radius, and when it draw different circles, time radius will also be changed. And there are also two custom blocks. One is initialize, the other is draw circle. The initialize custom block is used to initialize default values. For example, it will call the pen categories erase all block to erase all drawings on the screen to make the screen clear. And then it will call the size to 30% block in the looks category to make the sprite smaller, and then call the set pen size and set pen color custom block to initialize the pen size and color. And at last, it will initialize the custom variable time radius to 10. This is a radius of the first circle drawing on the screen. The custom block draw circle is used to draw one circle. It has three input parameters. One is center x, the other is center y, and one is the radius. The center x and the center y is the center point coordinates of the circle, and the radius is the circle's radius. At first, it will call the pen category pen up block to lift the pen because this can avoid the sprite drawing unwanted line on the screen. Then it will go to a point with the x value center x and the y value center y plus radius. This is the one circle's topmost point here. For each circle, it is this point, topmost point. Center x is the circle center point xy coordinate, and y center y plus radius is the topmost point of each circle's y coordinate. And then it will drag the point in direction. Where is it? Yes, here. Point in direction is to right side. Make the sprite face to the east, to the right side. And then it will use the pen down block. The pen down block is used here, and then all the later movement of the sprite will draw lines. In this example, it will draw circle. After that is a repeat block. Repeat block in the control category. Repeat. It will repeat 180 times. For each time, it will rotate to right 2 degrees. So after the repeat block, the sprite will rotate 360 degrees, which is a circle's degree. So, but for each loop, for each repeat, it will move some steps to rotate the 2 degrees before rotate to 2 degrees. The steps is calculated by this formula. Because we know the circumference of the circle is calculated by 2 times pi times radius, and because the sprite will move 180 times, so for each time it will move 2 times pi times radius divided by 180. If you repeat 360 times in the loop, so for each for each time it will turn 1 degrees. So after the 360 times repeat, the sprite will rotate around the center point, and the steps, each loop steps will be calculated by 2 times pi time radius divided by 360. You know, okay, but if you use 360, the sprite will move slower, so we change it to 180, and each time it will rotate to right 2 degrees. Okay, after the loop, the sprite will complete draw the circle. So call the pen up again. Then the sprite will now draw lines before it draw the next circle. Okay, the main block is here. First click the when green flag is clicked block, and then call the initialize block, and then call the show block in the looks category. This will show the sprite, and it will repeat 10 times. For each time it will draw 1 circle, so it will draw 10 circles. In one loop, it will call the draw circle custom block, and pass the coordinates 0, 0, and the radius is time radius. After it draw 1 circle, it will change the time radius by 15. Then the next circle will be larger than the inner circle, and change the pen size by 1 and change the pen color by 10. This is what you can see in the screen, on the screen. And after the repeat, it will call the hide block in the looks category to hide the sprite. Okay, this is all for this video. Thank you very much.